Hello Leo, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Leo, this is your reading for the month of September 2021 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay. Also Leo, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I'd also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Leo, look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you're thinking about, you're dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Okay, so let's get started now. Leo. We have his Tower for you, Three of Pentacles, and we have his Knight of Cups, Eight of Wands, Six of Cups, and we have his Five of Pentacles, then Page of Wands, and we have his Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so Leo, you may be dealing with a Scorpio, with Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, if the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the sign, Leo. And okay, so we have his Tower, we have his Three of Pentacles, and we have Knight of Cups. Leo, something that was built or erected on a wrong foundation, you are getting an opportunity to resurrect again, or something that had broken down in the past, you are getting an opportunity to resurrect that all over again. The Tower card represents breakdown and Three of Pentacles means building up. Okay, so there is clearly an opportunity that is coming your way, or if not an opportunity, someone from the past is coming your way with an opportunity, and probably this past person wants to say that, hey, let's build up this relationship all over again. With the Tower card, it signifies that probably the relationship was not built up on the right foundation. The foundation was very fragile, it was not very strong, and that's why it broke down. Okay, the timing was not right. But with the Three of Pentacles, it signifies that a situation from a long-term perspective is gonna happen. Either it's gonna happen, or either someone is manifesting that, or someone wants this situation to happen from a long-term perspective. Someone wants a relationship or a situation to have a long-term life. Okay, so with that Knight of Cups next to Three of Pentacles, Leo, probably someone from the past is going to come towards you with an offer, with an apology. For some of you, yes, this can be a new person as well. Okay, they are going to come towards you, or maybe universe is giving you another opportunity to build up your love life. If your love life was looking quite shaky, if your love life was looking not so good, and if you were sad and disappointed regarding your love life, then I see that there is an opportunity to build up your love life all over again with the right kind of a person. Okay, now this can be a past person, this can be a new person, but yes, for some of you, a past person is definitely coming back. Okay, I cannot deny the energy of the past person over here. Yes, there is an energy of a new person as well, but there is an energy of the past person as well. Okay, and be assured that now going ahead, Leo, be assured that now going ahead, with whomsoever you're going to build up this relationship, this love relationship, whether it is past or whether it is new, going ahead, this relationship will be built up on a very strong foundation, and there will be, first of all, I don't see anything happening in the future which will shake this foundation. And even if anything happens, The foundation is going to be so freaking strong that nothing and no one will be able to harm this relationship. Okay, so I'm happy for you, Leo. As far as your person is concerned, we have his Eight of Wands, we have his Six of Cups, and we have Five of Pentacles. Communication is going to happen. That much needed communication. It's like finally that much needed communication is happening. Finally that heart to heart communication is happening. It's like finally that whatever was not being said will be said and will be expressed. Okay, so someone is coming towards you to express their love. Again, again, this can be a past, again, this can be a new person, but what I see is that the feelings are getting expressed. Okay, there is back and forth communication that is happening over here. Okay, like rapid communication is happening. Someone is approaching towards you real fast. Okay, even if it's a new person, Leo, what I see is that they are going to enter in your life real fast, and you will not even understand when they are going to be a part of your life. Like that fast they are entering in your life. Okay, it may happen that you may just bump into them in a cafe or somewhere outside during travel, but I see that someone is entering. If it's a past person, yes, I mean, communication with a past person will be much more easier than communication with a new person. With a new person, it's not going to be difficult, but it's like you just know the devil, right? It's like you know them and you know how you're going to tackle with them now. You know that you need to show your boundaries. You know that it's important to tell your requirements to your person as well. So certain things are very much clear in your head when it comes to the past person, and if they fulfill those expectations, then only you're going to proceed as what you know. So when it comes to past person, you have a lot of clarity, but when it comes to new person also, you will have clarity. You will have a lot of intuitive calling. Okay, maybe the precise expression, like exchanging those three magical words like I love you, it may happen sometime later on, but this person will start indicating that they have fallen for you. I'm talking about the new person. Okay, the past person will right away, they will come and they will express what is going on in their mind. Okay, so someone may come towards you with a gift. Okay, someone may come towards you with like this person will start telling the world that they have fallen for you. Okay, this person may share with their near and dear ones. This person will show public affection. There will be a lot of PDA, public display of affection, that is going to happen. Okay, which will bring a lot of assurity in this relationship. Okay, that's what you're going to love a lot. Your trust will start building up all over again. Okay, and even if it's a new person, this person is going to indulge in a lot of PDA, and from day one itself you will be pretty sure about this person. Okay, Leo, with that Five of Pentacles, I'm sensing that your person has walked away from a situation, or they're planning to walk away, but mostly I see that they have already walked away from a situation which was not serving them. They may have lost some money. Like if at all this person was married, then alimony, they are giving money by way of alimony. Or if they were not married, they have just agreed to pay some compensation, monthly compensation to their past partner, especially if it was a long-term partner. Okay, and if kids are involved, then definitely this person is taking up some monetary responsibility. I see that they have walked away from the person, but they have also agreed to take up some monetary responsibility, is what I'm sensing. Otherwise, this person may have simply experienced some financial losses. But more than financial loss, I'm sensing that they have walked away willingly from someone who was not serving their highest good. Okay, the mutual energy is Page of Wands, and we have his Ace of Pentacles. So, yeah, Leo, a lot of passionate moments will be exchanged in the near future. You'll have opportunity to exchange a lot of passionate moments. Especially sex is going to be extremely passionate, extremely intense. You will have, I see you becoming very happy internally. the kind of happiness which you had not experienced since a long, long, long time, that sort of happiness you're going to experience now in the near future, Leo. I'm happy for you. You will have a wonderful opportunity in terms of your love life, to make things good and to make a better future. You will have a wonderful opportunity. Okay. Uh, Yes, I definitely see a person entering in your life. Probably the month of September is quite a, what shall I say, a remarkable month for some of the zodiac signs. For some of the zodiac signs in the month of September, someone is going to enter in their life, especially a new person. For some of you, yes, a past person may come back. But for majority, I see that there is going to be an entry of a new person. Okay, so if you are like really someone who is not into socialization, or you are preferring to stay alone in your house, I would suggest that start going out, start hanging out with your friends, start going out, because that's how you meet people, right? So start stepping out of your home. Like, look, there is nothing wrong in staying at home and enjoying your own time, but staying for long alone is also something that is not recommendable. There has to be, there has to be a balance in everything. Okay, you should enjoy your me time as well, but you should also enjoy time outside of your home. You should enjoy time with outside people, with your friends, with your family. Socialization is also equally important. As much as you need to enjoy time with yourself, equally and more than that, probably socialization is important. Okay, so somehow I'm getting an energy that someone prefers to stay at home. Someone is a stay at home person. So I would suggest that start stepping out, because that's how you're going to meet your person. Okay, it's the universe is not going to be like, no, I will send your person right outside your door. Okay, for very few of you it may happen, but then that's a very rare coincidence. Universe is like, yes, your person was there in that cafe next to your house, and I was telling you thousand times that go and have a coffee over there in that cafe, but you were this lazy ass who did not want it to move, right? So so I'm sorry, this is just an example. Okay, I'm trying to tell you, like, I'm getting an energy over here that someone wants to stay at home and someone is staying at home since a very long time. So step outside, because that's how you're going to meet your person. Okay, all right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.